Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for making me look this gorgeous. Okay, so guys, if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig, please do check the description box. I have a discount code for you guys as well. And I know what you're thinking, that you know what, it was a lot for me to achieve this look. Let me tell you something, this wig literally came like this. The only thing that I had to do was just to cut the lace. All my things are plugged in here, but I didn't even get to use them. You will see on this video, literally nothing was used except Caesar. Period. Okay, so this is a beginner friendly wig, and it is also pre-styled. Okay, so this is how gorgeous I am looking. If you want to look as gorgeous as me, do keep on watching. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and please like this video, comment, and yeah, leave a comment and tell me, what do you think of this look? Would you wear this wig? Of course you would. Let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver. It has a bow. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I want to show you guys what is inside. So this is how nicely packed this box is. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna get is a lovely note from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair Company. It says, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love." And you know what, look at this. I'm obsessed with the packaging. Look how nicely packed it is. So this is a 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is nicely packed, as you all can see, but I just want to show you the rest of the stuff. They were kind enough to send me this Luvme Hair edge brush and edge comb, a Luvme Hair storage bag. It is also branded. A girl can never have enough wig caps. They also sent me a Luvme Hair scarf to lay your edges. So now onto the star of the show. This is how the wig comes. Look at it. I'm already loving how shiny the curls are already. Okay, before even taking it out of the net. So let me just take out this. This is already pre-styled. Okay, this is stunning. Look at this, guys. Look at the curls. The waves are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Look at that. This is the Luvme Hair Mature Bouncy Left C part. As you all can see here, it is a loose wave, and of course this is a ready to go wig. So the only thing that I'm gonna do is just to cut the lace. The knots are bleached. Look at that. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 here at the back. It has this extra band, and of course 2 adjustable. This band is also adjustable, by the way, guys, and it also has 2 adjustable belts as well. So now, guys, as y'all can see, the loose waves are nice and bouncy. They bounce. They are absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed. Look at that, guys. This is stunning, I promise you. First of all, guys, this wig fits perfectly because of the adjustable bands, so you can adjust the bands according to, you know what, according to your liking, according to your head size. This is literally fitting nicely. Okay, so this wig, as y'all can see, it's literally stuck on my head without any glue. So this is beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm so happy, guys. As y'all can see, look at that. Look at the hairline. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the waves. They are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, if you like it like this, you can just wear it like this, okay? But I'm just gonna show you the potential of the volume, okay? I'm going to show you how, guys, I just want to show you the volume of this wig, period. That's it. That's how easy that was. Yo, I'm so beautiful. I am really beautiful. I feel like I'm genuinely craving a date right now. I'm craving a good date. I love this wig so much. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, please do check the description box down below. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso23 and you're going to get yourself some coins off. Stunning. This is stunning. The fact that this is literally a glueless wig, it is out of this world, guys.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up. Lately you
I'm looking super gorgeous. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until next time, bye bye.